Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let us take a trip to Rosemala, which is approximately 100 kilometers away from Thiruvananthapuram. It is located in the western Ghats of Kerala. So, if you do really love watching our videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Moving through the forest, we would be able to trace the lifestyle and culture of the 100 families residing inside, their survival from animal attacks, and at last the most important part, enjoying the real beauty of nature. The families could settle here during the British colonial rule as the tea and clove plantations were implemented here at the time. Rosemala is 12 km away from Aryankava, which lies on the Kollam-Chenkota National Highway. The hill plantation located nearby Rosemala is called Raja Coop. The cloves cultivated in Raja Coop produce a special fragrance. The place is named so as it is visible to our eyes in the form of rose petals from the sky. Now, let us see what their village life is like. From the top of Rosemala, you can view the Thenmala Dam catchment area, which is an amazing creation of nature. The dam was built in 1961 and is the second largest irrigation project in Kerala. One should contact the Shenthorni Wildlife Division and buy their Eco Tour package to visit Rosemala. The package provides you with a guide, a forest jeep, food and moreover a night stay inside the sanctuary. Shenthorni Wildlife Sanctuary is unique in its scenic beauty and authentic ambience of nature. The sanctuary is a must-watch for all the nature-loving tourists. The Rosemala, which is a semi-evergreen forest, receives an annual rainfall varying from 2600 to 3000 millimeters. In the afternoon, you will be taken for a trek to the dam catchment area. If you are lucky, you will be able to spot some wild animals on the opposite side of the catchment area. The name Shenthurni is derived from the name Chenkurunyi, also called Tirunelveli redwood, an endemic plant. After the night stay, you can happily and contentedly return home with the hope to visit this beautiful place again. Thanks for watching. More videos related to the Thenmala Wildlife Sanctuary are to be uploaded soon. So stay tuned.